This is Ayakalong. It's Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. I'm recording the video of the household goods that are going to the NTS, non-temporary storage in Georgia. This is for PCS to Misawa. First off, I have 2 sets of lamps and glass end tables. This is the bedroom number 2 office. There's no visible scratches or cracks on the glass. Looks good. And the wood stand also looks okay. We have a TV mount, the bracket. And here's another lamp and a glass table. The glass end table. The one looks good. We have a metallic rack also that is going to the storage. It's pretty stable. Got some, this is for the washer. Got games, DVDs that also go into storage. We have curtain rod, the TV mount, the parts of a TV mount, and 1 computer tower, the Dell computer tower, speaker, another curtain rod. This is Samsung computer monitor, and another speaker. And here is the back. The model code and the type number. That's all for this video and the recording.